Mardi Gras Halloween 2021 cruise. Let's do this.
Poke a nose time.
Good morning from sunny, very sunny Florida. We are here in front of the Country Inns and Suites, and we'd like to welcome you to our Mardi Gras vlog series. We're going to check out the local area here today. Later on tonight, we've got a meet and greet with the rest of the Lido Loca cruise group. Looking forward to meeting some of y'all. In the meantime, we're just going to head on out and about. Just keep y'all posted. Y'all welcome to join us. Or y'all can check back in later for the meet and greet.
And wear your sunglasses.
Yeah, wear your sunglasses while you're down here. Ooh, doggy. Hey everybody, we have made it back to the hotel here. We did a little drive down A1A, went all the way down as far as Melbourne Beach. If you folks haven't taken a trip down that way before, I invite you to do that. It's very pretty down through there. We just kind of driving around checking things out. We're back at the hotel now. We've got about an hour before the meet and greet down at Fish Camp Grill. So we're just kind of hanging out here in the lobby of the Country Inns and Suites. Everybody is loving Brenda's nails, and I love them too. So she put a lot of hard work into getting them on there just right. So they're very pretty.
And my daughter and friend did a lot of work making them for me.
Yes, they made them, and we got them all. I say we, but I kind of helped. I hold stuff for her. We got all that did. So we're just kind of hanging out here in the hotel, watching the other members of the local fam come and go. Here in about an hour, we're going to head on down to the meet and greet. So we'll bring y'all along with us, and we'll catch up with y'all here in a little bit.
So far, we don't have anybody missing because they're
Fish Camp in Cocoa Beach with some of our best friends that we could ever have. Let me show you real quick what I have to eat, and then I'm going to show you some of our friends. We're just having a wonderful time already. Okay, I'm going to show you my friends first. This is some friends that we've met already. When I'm ran off, this is my sister-in-law Jen, my brother-in-law Doug. That's Laura Barnett. And her hubby Chris was there. He's turned invisible. He used his Scooby-Doo powers. Back here we have Tiffany and her partner Patrick. And this is Artie and Peg. They gave us some awesome shirts. Let me just say Peg, Artie. And this is my food, guys. I haven't started yet, and I've never ate a smoked turkey leg, but I convinced myself to try it. And we have a fork somewhere. This is sweet potato mash that they have, and some hush puppies. This is the turkey leg. It's huge. And you can get it with or without the cranberry glaze. I chose to get it without. Might have should have got some on the side just to dip it in, but I'm ready to give this a try in just a few minutes. And then I'm going to show you over here what Tom's got. He actually has a a barbecue pulled pork with some waffle fries. And this is is it a Cajun cabbage slaw, I believe? But yeah, we're fixing to get our grub on and see just how delicious this food really is. Pokey dust in here. Let's give the sweet potato mash a try.
Can I get
Another cherry amaretto?
where's that list at?
That is delicious. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can get some of this turkey off of here.
You gotta leave that here.
Excuse me, I'm just going to use my fingers to pull that off. It's very tender, but it's very hot.
Redneck lemonade?
Yes, we'll try that.
Yeah, for now, baby. Thank you.
I've never had one of these before, and it's delicious. Delicious. Fish Camp Grill. If you're in the area, do come and check it out. It's delicious, you guys. Delicious. Wonderful atmosphere. Okay, I think my nearly empty plate says it all. I had to push it over to my husband so he could finish it up for me. But just stay tuned for the next one because you never know what we're going to have. Next time I think we have another meal will be on the Carnival Mardi Gras.
Wait, we practiced this for 6 hours. You gotta get your hips, the hip.